Hello, welcome back. For today's video, it's going to be completely different to my usual content because we're going to be doing a little workout. Now, I've mentioned many times in my try on hauls that I'm trying to get back to a healthy weight. I've gained quite a lot of weight. We'll blame it on age. But yeah, and I'm just not happy. You know, I want to be healthy, so that's what I'm concentrating on at the moment. Obviously healthy eating and just trying to get a bit more exercise as well. I'm not going overboard with it. The thing with me is that I can throw myself into something, mainly with exercise, like, you know, join up to the gym or something like that. A few months down the line, I find that I don't have the time, or I know that sounds like an excuse, but honestly, I genuinely don't have the time. And yeah, I just struggle to stick to it, which means that then I stop doing it and, you know, I'm back to square one. So with that being said, now this was gifted to me, not sponsored, only gifted, obviously, you know, my own opinions and everything. But this is from Gymproluxe. So this is the brand just here. I've seen this all over my socials. I've seen it on TV as well. It featured on This Morning as, I think, a couple of years ago, I think it was. It was in the top, I believe it was the top 5 best at home, you know, workout things to use. And yeah, a lot of people are saying that these are brilliant. Now, I've been trying this out for around about a month now, and I can honestly say I love this. It is so good. It's really good quality. It's not like, you know, those flimsy like Pilates bands or resistance bands that you get that can, you know, I find that they don't do an awful lot. Like the flimsy ones anyway, whereas this one is, you know, on another scale altogether. So it's got this really nice, like, this is thick, you know, and robust. This is like the, I don't know what you call this, like the main part of it. And then we get these little handles on the end here as well. And then these are the weights, or, you know, the resistance bands, but these are such good quality. They really are. You get 3 sets of these, ranging from 10 kilos to 20 kilos. And you can use them individually or you can use them all together, you know, depending on what weight strength that you require. I tend to just use the black ones at the moment. I was on the white ones, the 10, but I prefer to just use the black ones on most of the exercises that I do. There is also a bar as well. So it comes in 2 parts. You just unscrew it, and then obviously, you know, it's smaller. You can fit it in the bag, and then you can screw it back together. And obviously you've got your long bar, which you can use for other exercises, you know, bar required exercises, I suppose. So I am no fitness expert whatsoever, you know, at all, to be quite honest with you. I've never been sporty. It just doesn't appeal to me personally. Yeah, so this is, you know, perfect for me because I can do it at home. They also have an app as well. You get lifetime membership to that when you purchase the product. And there is, I think there's around sort of over almost 100 exercises that you can do with it. So you're not limited at all. You know, again, myself, my problem is, especially with at-home exercises, I can follow videos, you know, on YouTube, TV or whatever, and I just end up getting bored of them. Whereas this one, you can kind of customize it. You can say, right, I'm going to do these ones for a couple of weeks and I'm going to do these ones for a couple of weeks. And there's so many variations as well. You know, you've got all of the body parts to work out, and you can, yeah, you can just customize it to your own. You can kind of save them. So that's what I tend to do, is I save a few at a time and then I concentrate on those, and then I save some more and concentrate on those. So yeah, it's really good. And obviously with the different weight strengths as well, you can go up as you need to. There's also demos on the app, so you kind of feel like you're getting your own little PT experience. And they're really helpful as well. You know, they're not like, you know, rushed ones. They're in depth. They're only like a couple of minutes, but you get a lot from them in that 2 minutes. And then there's also longer workouts as well that you can do with them. Like it's quite a good ab one that's 15 minutes long, I like to do. So I've put together a little compilation of my current favourite, I should say, 5 exercises to do, just to show you really it in action. Again, I'm no fitness expert, I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. So yeah, I'm just going to show you those. And yeah, it's so easy to do. It really is. I would say, you know, all ages. You know, I'm in my 40s. All ages can use this. So yeah, there we go. There is my little at-home gym that I've been using, and again, I absolutely love it. I really do. It's made things a lot more easy for me, and I can fit like a 15-minute workout in every morning, which is ideal for me. So as always, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with a discount code. I think I've got a discount code. If I haven't, I apologise, but if I've got one, I'll pop it down there. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.